Hi everyone, Mary Ann's here. I'm a creative associate from Creative Nation Academy, and in today's session, I'm going to show you on how to split two images using text in Canva. So without further ado, let's start editing. And that's how you split two images using text in Canva. I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on our YouTube channel, and also follow Creative Nation Academy on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching.